Hey guys, Nick here with ZZ Diesel. Go over a couple new products for us. We got switch brackets for your selectable tuning on your Fords, Dodges, and your GMs. So this bracket over here fits the Dodge customers, slips right into the lock tabs on top of the OBDII port, puts the switch right down right by the OBDII port. Here is your Duramax one. This one, you may use the factory screws on some applications, and then other applications it lines up with the holes in the OBDII port bracket. So you just slide some 8mm bolts through there. This one would be for your Ford guys. It's going to be your early Ford guys, 7.3, 6.4, 6.7 guys with selectable tuning. Again, this is going to use factory screws right by the OBDII port and slide it off to the side, so it'll be right there accessible for you. All of them are notched for holding the DSP5 or CSP5 switch in location, so it's not sitting there rotating for you. Locks down really nicely. And lastly, this is the 17 to 20 power stroke switch bracket. Find these on zzdiesel.com or give us a call. Thanks for watching, guys.